Okay, good morning students. Now today we will start from number 5. Exercise 2, page number, okay, not 97, page number 32. Page number 32, exercise 2.2, number 5. If x plus z equals to 2y and b square equals to ac, then let us show that a to the power y minus a, b to the power z minus x, and c to the power x minus y equals to 1. Then look at that, x plus z equals to 2y, that is given, and value of b square is ac. Then let us show that yz a to the power yz into b to the power z minus x and c to the power x minus y equals to 1. Then okay, given x plus z equals to 2y. Okay, first I will write this one, then x plus z, that is not a 2, z, x plus z equals to 2y means I will write y plus y. Y plus y means 2y. Then I will write x, y comes this side, minus y, plus y comes this side, then minus y equals to y, z goes this side, plus z is goes this side, then minus z. Then value of x minus y is y minus z. Then now, okay, look at that is the left hand side. I will write the left hand side, L H S. Then a equals to y minus z into b z minus x into c x minus y. That is the left hand side. Then now a to the power y minus z into b to the power z minus x into c to the power, look at there is x minus y, then value of x minus y is y minus z, then I will write there y minus z. So now next step, look at there is a power will be same, there is also y minus z and there is also y minus z. There is also y minus z and there is also y minus z. Then so I will write in a bracket AC, then power y minus z into b to the power z minus x. In a bracket, look at that one. Suppose AC whole square, then that means a square and c square. Yes, because AC whole square means, look at there, AC to the power y minus z means a to the power y minus z, c to the power y minus z. That means that one. So now, okay, AC means B square. Then I will write there B square y minus z into b to the power z minus x. That is z. Okay. Now AC means B square. I will write B square to the power y minus z. Now open the bracket, equals to b to multiply y minus z into b to the power z minus x. B to the power z minus x. Now look at there, rest will be same, then power will be add. We have to add the powers. 2 into y, 2y minus 2 into z, 2z plus z minus x. Now b to the power 2y minus into plus minus, then minus z plus, okay, minus x, then b to the power 2y minus will become 1, then z plus x. Then value of z plus x is 2y. Then b to the power 2y minus value of z plus x is 2y. Then I will write 2y. Then plus 2y minus 2y cancel. Then b to the power 0. B to the power 0 means 1. Then we have to write there R H S float. Okay, I will erase this one. So RHS flow. Number 5 finished. Okay, now I will drop it. Now number 6. If A equals to xy to the power p minus 1, comma b to the power b equals to xy q minus 1, and c equals to xy r minus 1. Then let us show that a to the power q minus r, b to the power r minus p, and c to the power p minus q equals to 1. Now look at there. Okay, value of A, B and C is given. Then we have to prove that value of A to the power Q minus R, B to the power R minus P and C to the power P minus Q is 1. So directly I will write LHS left hand side, then write left hand side Q minus R, write down left hand side Q minus R, A to the power Q minus R, B to the power R minus P into C to the power P minus Q. So now put the value of A, B and C. Value of A is xy to the power P minus 1 and into Q minus R, into value of B is x to the power xy to the power Q minus 1 into R minus P into xy R minus 1 into P minus Q. Now look at there, base will be same, then power will be, we have to add the power. Then I will write a base is same, then base is xy, so power will be add P minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. Okay, now multiply, we have to multiply the powers. Then P is multiplied in this number and minus 1 is also multiplied this number. Then P is multiplied Q minus R, minus 1 is also multiplied Q minus R, plus then there is also same, Q is multiplied R minus P, then minus 1 is multiplied R minus P, plus R is multiplied P minus Q and minus 1 is also multiplied P minus Q. Now we have to multiply xy, P into Q, PQ minus P into R, PR minus 1 into Q, Q1 is Q, minus into minus plus, okay, that is a 1, okay. Now 1 Q is a Q, 1 R the minus into minus plus, then 1 R the R plus Q QR, Q into R QR minus Q into P PQ minus 1 into R minus into minus plus 1 into P plus R into P PR, R into P PR minus R into Q QR minus 1 into P minus into minus plus 1 into Q. Now finished. Now look at there, PQ plus PQ and minus PQ cancel, minus PR plus PR cancel, minus Q and plus Q, plus R minus R, plus QR minus QR. Now plus P and minus P. Then all are cancelled. That means I will write there. That means x to the power 0, xy to the power 0, then xy to the power 0 means 1. Then that is RHS 2. All are cancelled. That means xy to the power 0, xy to the power 0 means 1. Then RHS closed. Look at the RHS, there is a 1. Then RHS closed. Okay, now number 7. Number 7. If x to the power 1 by a equals to x to y to the power 1 by b equals to z to the power 1 by c, and x, y, z equals to 1, then let us show that a plus b plus c equals to 0. Then look at that is a given and that is also given. Then we will have to show that we have to prove that a plus value of a plus b plus c is 0. So first I will write let x to the power 1 by a equals to y to the power 1 by b equals to z to the power 1 by c equals to k. Then in a bracket we have to write where value of k is not equals to 0. There is, I will write there k equals to k, then value of k is not equals to 0. So therefore x to the power 1 by a equals to k. Okay, that all are equals to k. That means x to the power 1 by a equals to k. Then y to the power 1 by b equals to k and z to the power 1 by c equals to k. That is all are equal. So or value of x is k to the power. Okay, look at that. There is a power 1 by a. Then power will be power is goes this side. Then k to the power a. Because suppose a to the power 1 by 2 equals to goes this side, okay, power a to the power half, then goes this side, then that is a to the power then goes this side, then a to the power square. Okay, power will be okay. There is a, if there is a fraction, then goes this side, then power fraction is that is goes this side, then that is divided, then that. Okay, that is got this side, then that is a power, that is change. Okay, that is a divide, then that is change. One goes this. Okay, one goes there and a goes outside. Okay, no need, right? You have to remember power will be changed there. There is we have to write there 1. So therefore y to the power 1 by b. Similarly, therefore y to the power k, y to the power 1 by b equals to k, or value of y is k to the power b. Z to the power 1 by c equals to k. So therefore value of z is k to the power c. Okay, done this one. That is done. Then now what is given? Given x, y, z equals to 1. So, or value of x is, look at the value of x is k to the power a. Then I will write there k to the power a into, then value of y is k to the power b into value of z is k to the power c equals to 1. Then 1 means I will write there k to the power 0. K to the power 0 means 1. Or look at there is a base will be same. Then I will write base k, then power will be added. A plus b plus c equals to k to the power 0. Then look at there, in a left hand side there is also base k, and in a right hand side there is also k. Then k and k cancel. Then now remaining a plus b plus c equals to 0. Now we have to prove that value of a plus b plus c is 0. Then that is proved. A plus b plus c is proved 0. And there is also a plus b plus c equals to 0. That is proved. Okay, number 8 your homework. That is also same like number 7. Okay, number 8 you have to do it. So from number 9 we will do it in a next class. From number 9, then MCQ and short answer. Then this chapter finish. Okay, thank you. Good.